Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about how to clean your makeup brushes. Let's get started. Guys, so first I'd like to fill up this little clear container about 1/4 of the way. Next, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and add it to that mix, along with 2 teaspoons of dish detergent. You're going to mix that together. Alright guys, and the last thing I like to add is 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Alright, I'm going to just drop my brushes in there. And you want to let your brushes sit for 20 minutes. Oh, look at that water. Ew, ew, ew. Alright guys, after 20 minutes, this is what my brushes are looking like. Now you want to rinse out everything out of the brushes, so the product that's left in there, you're going to have to go in with clean water and get them nice and rinsed out. So I like to go with the brushes kind of like one by one and make sure they're all nice and clean. Alright, and after I clean them, I just drop them back into that little cup and wait for them to dry.